Hi everyone, welcome to my AutoCAD QA session. Feel free to drop your question or comments below. Question for today: how to draw straight line? Let's create a simple line drawing. Click on the line tool in the draw panel. Click on the location where you want your line to start. Press on the F8 button on the keyboard. Tap the measurement of the line. Press enter. If you can see, line can be straight or turn 90 degrees. Press on the F8 button on the keyboard to remove command. If you can see, a line can be straight or turn 90 degrees. You are drawing a straight line in AutoCAD using the F8 command button. I hope the answer helped you to get more comfortable with AutoCAD. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments, and I will be sure to cover them in the future videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest videos. See you next time.